Do posture correctors, posture bras, posture shirts, whatever you want to call it, do these devices actually do what they say they're supposed to do and fix your posture?
Providing you with pain relief strategies and wellness solutions for modern day living.
Hey everybody, Dr. Jon Saunders here. I'm a chiropractor here in Newmarket, Ontario, Canada. Today I want to talk about posture correctors. I have patients that ask me these questions all the time, and the question is, do these things fix your posture? Fixing posture is vitally important to not only your current day health, but your future quality of life. Poor posture is bad. We know that it creates an environment where your body is sluggish, you don't have energy, it's unsightly, we know that. It also causes degenerative disc disease, disc bulge. It just causes a host of problems, especially to your spine, and that is related to your future quality of life. So anything we can do to help with our posture should be a good thing. The question is, do these work? Posture correctors do a job, but probably not the way you think. When you put this on, it immediately has some pressure to help pull your shoulders back. The pressure or the tension isn't enough to hold your shoulders back. These are excellent for reminders. These are excellent to remind you to stand or sit with good posture. What you need to know is that it's not going to hold you in the position. It's going to act as a reminder, which is important. When it acts as a reminder, it causes you to pull your shoulders back, to activate the muscles in your posterior shoulder and back, and it helps elongate the chest muscles to help get your shoulders back. Now, this is not a fix-all, because what has to happen is you have to develop an endurance where your muscles will automatically do that. So while these posture correctors are great for a reminder or for you to become posture aware, what they will not do is they will not substitute the work involved to get shoulders back. So it's vital that you understand these things are good if you're sitting for long periods of time, or if you're like me, hunched over patients all day. They are a good reminder to get your shoulders back. They do not artificially pull your shoulders back. They cause you to activate the muscles needed to stand and operate or move with good posture. So from that perspective, they do add value to a postural corrective program, but they will not fix your posture permanently or without any work. So these posture correctors work really good for those people that have hunched forward posture, especially when we talk about the internal rotation of the shoulders. They help pull them back. They help remind you that you need to hold and activate the muscles necessary. While the posture corrector is very good for opening up your chest, getting your shoulders back, what they will not fix is forward head posture. Forward head posture is a complex postural pattern that involves more than just a muscle imbalance. With forward head posture, it's a little bit more complex. There's ligaments involved, there's neural tension involved, there's muscle imbalance involved. There's a lot of other things that go into fixing forward head posture than one of these. These work great if your primary concern is getting your shoulders back, activating the appropriate muscles, stretching the anterior chest muscles. They work fantastic, but only as a reminder. You still need to do the work. Two times you might find it very beneficial are A, when you're sitting for long periods of time, when you're sitting at your desk doing lots of work, hours on hours, it reminds you to hold your shoulders back to activate the appropriate muscles. It will help with that shoulder posture. Another time I recommend is when you're exercising. When you exercise, you are training your posture to whatever posture you're holding. So if you're always like this, you're going to train your posture like this. This can help no matter what exercise you're doing, whether you're doing shoulders, squats, whatever you're doing, to have this on, to activate the muscles appropriately while you're exercising. It's a really good time to use it. It really works properly then, and it allows you to hold your shoulders in the right position and your shoulder blades tucked back in order for you to get the best possibility of posture correction during exercise. So for some of you, these will be beneficial, but just remember, it doesn't take the work away. It doesn't hold your posture. It reminds you to be more posture aware, to activate the muscles and allow the stretch to happen, to allow your shoulders to sit more neutral and out of that forward slumped posture. One added bonus, if you have one of these elastic posture correctors, is what you should be doing in addition to wearing this and as a reminder to get your shoulders back, is you could use it for an exercise band for shoulder exercise. One of the easiest one that I like is external rotation. So you're going to pull your shoulder blades back, engage your shoulder blades, externally rotate, hold for 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0. And you can do this 10 to 15 repetitions 3 to 4 times a day. In addition, if you do wear this at your desk or during exercise, this will help. It'll help strengthen your shoulders. It'll help stretch out your chest to get those rolled shoulders back where they should be. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up. If you have a question about one of these posture correctors, put it in the comments. I'll answer it below. And as always, please hit the subscribe button below so you get updated when we upload a new video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until next time, be well.